Hello everyone, again welcome back. So in this video I am going to discuss with you LVM, and friends, LVM stand for Logical Volume Manager. Friends, in RHEL 7 obviously you learn about the Logical Volume Manager. But friends, in RHEL 8, obviously the version is updated and release new version RHEL 8. So here you can learn video, right? Why? This is important and update version of the Linux. Video stand for Virtual Disk Optimizer. So friends, here I will discuss LVM as well as video because Virtual Disk Optimizer is latest. So here first I will discuss this LVM part and Logical Volume Manager and how you can create logical volume, okay, how you can assign particular volume size, increase and decrease, each and everything I will discuss. And video stand for Virtual Disk Optimizer. Friends, in a Linux device you can say that this is the device mapper video, or we can say that it is a duplication, it's a block device like that, duplication, comparison and things provisioning, all the features in this video. So I will discuss in the next video, in coming session, coming videos, and here I will discuss the LVM. Okay, so friends, now come to the point. If you are working in an organization, if you are working in production environment, so what is the use case of LVM, right? Why organization using the LVM? So if you are working in Linux and you are a Linux administrator, so obviously you will have to utilize your space properly. Suppose that you are going to create a volume and you are going to assign particular volume, right? So suppose that you are working in industry and there is three department, and department 1 and department 2 and department 3. Okay, so obviously they have required a size, is special particular size they can upload their data. Suppose that you are going to assign a particular here 10 GB to one department, right? Similarly 10 GB you are going to assign second department, and similarly 10 GB hard disk size you are going to assign her department. But suppose this department is going to use only 500 MB GB, sorry, 500 MB. Okay, similarly he is using this data is totally 2 GB, and it is using 5 GB, but rest of the data is going to west. Obviously goes going to west, it is cost for the company, cost for the organization. How you can reduce these costs? This is very important. Every organization want to decrease their cost and increase the profit. How is it possible? With the help of how you can increase the decrease the cost of the organization, whatever. Okay, so obviously I will coming video I will discuss with the rate concept, how you can configure the rate. Okay, so friends, LVM multiple features you have. It is a flexible to expand the space at any time, right? First, this is, you can say that you can expand this, right? Like that spot instance in AWS easily you can create, increase the volume, decrease the volume, right? Any file system here we can install and handle. This is the another things in LVM. And here you can, migration can be used to recover the faulty disk. Exactly, if you are working in AWS administrator, so obviously you can migrate your on-premises data center to the cloud. How you can do? In coming AWS session I will discuss with you. So here one more important things, restore the file system via snapshot, right? Here one more important features you have. If you are working already in AWS, you know the features of snapshot, how you can your backup data, how you can uh, use a snapshot for the volume, how you can use a snapshot for the EC2 instance. If you don't know, I will discuss everything. So here is the actual use case of the LVM. Okay, suppose that this is the three department, department 1, department 2, you are going to 30 GB of this space. But friends, in LVM case you can create logical volume, First, this is your physical, this is your physical volume. Okay, you are going to assign 10 GB every department. Okay, so LVM is very flexible. You can create a volume group. Suppose that this is your volume group, and in this volume group you are going to attach all the physical hard disks. Okay, all the hard disks you will attach to the volume group. So this is your volume group. Okay, so you attach 10 GB, you attach 10 GB, you attach 10 GB. Okay, so when you attach in this volume group, so your physical volume size increase total 30 GB. Okay, so now the volume group size is 30 GB. Okay, now friends, I'm asking you, suppose you are working in DevOps profile, you know the use of Docker container. So how you can utilize the Docker container? This is your container. Okay, so in this container you can create multiple application. You know the features of Docker container. If you don't know, don't worry, I will discuss in the particular different uh, subjects. Just understand the LVM. So you create physical volume, so you attach your physical volume to volume group. So this size is overall 30 GB. Now come to the point, friends. Now with the help of this volume group, I will assign logical volume. You know logical volume? So here, suppose that here one department is IT department, right? So this department want the space, for example, for example 11 GB. Okay, just understand. And second department, and this department is HR department, and HR department want only 2 GB. That's it, it's sufficient. And similarly, another department want the space, volume size, hard disk size is 3 GB. According to this volume, you can assign. Suppose that your finance department want the space only 1.5 GB or 3 GB according to this. Okay, so I'm giving here 3 GB, 1 GB. So easily with the help of volume group, you can assign individual what they want particular space. Okay, so here you apply this 11 GB for the IT department, 2 GB for the HR department, and 1 GB for the finance department, right? So I'm going to write here department, so easily you can understand, friends, easily you can understand. So here, suppose that this is the HR department, sorry, IT department. Okay. And similarly, second is HR department, and third one is finance. So here you can use this LVM. So it's make easier to manage disk space, right? Easily you can manage your disk space with the help of LVM, friends. If a file system needs more space, suppose that here one more department and very heavy departments comes here, artificial intelligence, okay, and machine learning, and they want the data huge amount of volume he wants. Okay, so they want, so what you can do? Suppose that he wants 500 GB. Okay, 500 GB volume size. So what you will do? Just nothing. You will attach one more physical volume. Okay, so here I am going to take, here you will attach another physical volume, and that volume will be more than this logical volume. Obviously you will attach new physical volume, and this will be, suppose that he is taking 500 GB for the artificial intelligence, but you are going to give here 3000. Yeah, 1000 GB, that's enough for the further. He want more space, so easily you can attach, you can plus. Okay, you can add more space. If suppose that IT department don't want 11 GB, want only 9 GB, so you can increase the particular volume size, right? This is the advantage of the LVM, right? In physical hard disk you cannot increase the size of your particular physical hard disk. But here LVM is very easy, is manage your device properly. If a disk start to fail, suppose that, okay, so you can replacement the disk can be registered as the physical volume. Suppose that your disk volume is physical volume is going to be failed or maybe corrupt to some region. Okay, there is no such problem. You can remove your physical volume. Okay, this physical volume easily you can remove, no problem, but rest of the volume is available, right? So you can assign particular volume to this volume group, right? This is the very important LVM, right? So obviously interviewer asked the question, but the technology is going to change. You will have to learn more and more technology nowadays, right? So easily you can use this LVM. Okay, so it's a feature, and everything I will discuss, and how you can increase the size, how you can decrease the size, everything I will discuss in practical video, right? So this is the theory part. So I will not increase the more and more time consuming video, so it will help for you, so easily you can learn. Okay, so next video I will start the practical. So practical, how you can start? So I will take 3 hard disk, and friends, in 3 hard disks we will complete the lab. Suppose that I will attach hard disk 1 10 GB, second hard disk I will attach 10 GB, and third hard disk I will attach 10 GB. So this is my 10 10 GB, this is physical hard disk, and physical volume we will attach in a volume group like that, this, and this volume group we can assign logically to individual department, right? And we can plus and we can minus both, right? So this is very important, so I will discuss in the next video. So I am going to thanks in this video, and see you in the next video with new topic, same practical with LVM. Okay, so take care, all the best, and bye bye.